right, guys, we picked this clinic because really I pride myself on internet presence. Instagram was ready to go. TikToks was ready to go. They give you ins and outs of every single thing that you will want to know. Every bit of information and detailed information that you will actually want to know. And why we pick these guys because they're very experienced. I know a lot of people do this in Turkey, and it's probably about 5,000 heads I'm talking about a day that get done in Turkey, and that's just for me researching it, and it probably just a little bit more. But why these guys? I'm telling you, because they're very detailed, and they reach out and let their customers know how efficient they are with doing this procedure. And us researching it, like we said, for the last 3 to 5 years, it's been really crazy for us. So I definitely picked these guys. I know they're the right person to go with, and yeah, you should go with them too. You know what I'm saying? So after this procedure, you really gonna see, right?
Yeah, no, you definitely gonna see. Like he mentioned, you know, the internet presence was the biggest thing. You know, seeing people like us that's done it. You know, like I was mentioning before, in America, you don't really see it done on a lot of African American people. It's foreign to hear that black people in America get their hair transplant done. And if you do, you're gonna spend 5-10 times the amount of money that you spend over here. So not only is it cost effective, you get a vacation, you get taken care of with the hotel and the ride, you got great doctors who are helpful, who are involved from beginning to end. And like T was saying, like we wanted to see, you know, how do you get numb? You know, how do you extract the follicles? How do you implant the follicles? What's the healing time? You know, and they give you that. They don't hide anything from you. And a lot of doctors will do that to either get you to get their business without, you know, disclosing everything. And we sat around for at least over the last 3 years, just procrastinating pretty much until we found Hair Upload. So we finally made it happen. We flew 15 hours, backs hurt, tired, sleepy, but surgery in the morning, we ready to do it.
And I will definitely be looking like a supermodel in 24 hours.
24.